Hello friends, if you are trying to download BMO digital banking application, but you got an error just like this, your device is not compatible with this version. So what is the problem with this error and what is the solution of this error? So let's get started. When you see the message your device is not compatible with this version, it means the app you are trying to download has requirement that your smartphone or tablet does not meet. Okay, it means your device is several year old and no longer receive OS update, and the issue is usually permanent, meaning the new app simply would not work on that hardware. Okay, it means you should need to replace your device with the latest features. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.